From AccuWeather.com, this is AccuWeather Daily, a brief host-read article. It's weather news in a nutshell. 2 bomb cyclones and atmospheric rivers in 1 week? Well, it may seem hard to believe, but Mother Nature has taken the gloves off and will continue to hurl potent storms with gusty winds, a lot of rain, and high country snow toward the Pacific Coast states through the weekend. Now, if you were with me yesterday on AccuWeather Daily, then you'll remember that we talked about what actually is a bomb cyclone and this rapid strengthening over a 24-hour period. Well, the next bomb cyclone that is predicted to come through the Pacific Northwest today and tomorrow will not be as intense as Tuesday's powerhouse storm. The powerful storm will make more of a glancing blow from south to north just off the coasts of Northern California, Oregon, and Washington. But it still will be close enough and strong enough to bring impacts from wind, rain, and snow. Now, a bomb cyclone, as we talked about yesterday, is a storm that strengthens so fast that the central atmospheric pressure plunges 71/100ths of an inch or more in 24 hours or less. Well, the central pressure in Tuesday's bomb cyclone fell a whopping 1.71 inches, or more than double the intensity criteria. The so-called bombing out or rapid intensification is important because the faster the pressure drops in a storm, the faster new air must rush in to take that missing air's place. And this movement of air is the wind. Strong winds from Tuesday night's intense storm knocked down a tree that unfortunately killed one person and cut the power to 600,000 utility customers in western Washington alone. By far the greatest impact from this new bomb cyclone and a more southward tracking storm that follows will be its precipitation. Just like the first one, an atmospheric river will develop. Now, this long fire hose of moisture from the ocean will be directed at the same areas as the first storm this week. Thunderstorms packing hail and gusty winds can occur in some areas between both major storms. The cumulative rainfall from both storms this week, from Northern California to southwestern Oregon, will range from 8 to 12 inches, with a AccuWeather local storm max rainfall of about 20 inches. Now, from 1 to 4 inches of rain will be common along the I-5 corridor and the immediate coasts from Washington to northern Oregon. The rounds of intense rain produced by back-to-back atmospheric rivers will lead to a high risk of dangerous flash flooding, mudslides, landslides, washouts, and erosion. Farther south, around San Francisco and Sacramento, the heaviest rain from the storm will tend to fall to the north, while rainfall will taper off from north to south, beginning over the metro areas. From 4 to 8 inches of rain is forecast to fall around Santa Rosa, while San Jose may receive just about an inch. Snow levels for the second storm will be higher than the first, leading to extra melting and runoff at intermediate elevations. Most of the snow will fall above the passes for the late week storm, but up in the high country, cumulative snowfall this week will range from 1 to 3 feet, with locally higher amounts in the Cascades and northern Sierra Nevada. A short time after the second bomb cyclone lifts northward and loses wind intensity off the Washington coast, a third storm will roll in from the Pacific later on this weekend. It is that third storm that will direct rain at a large part of coastal Southern California. AccuWeather's senior meteorologist Heather Zayer says that there is the potential for a half inch up to an inch of rain to fall on the Los Angeles area, beginning on Sunday morning and continuing into Sunday night and maybe Monday morning. Rain may be more limited around San Diego and may hold off until Sunday or Monday. Likewise, rain may struggle to travel over the coast ranges to the deserts. The news is not so good for Thanksgiving travelers over a large part of the Pacific Coast states, as well as a large part of the West, with more storms forecast to roll in with multiple rounds of rain and mountain snow. That's all for now. You can find more stories and regional forecasts at AccuWeather.com. And for your local forecast at your fingertips, download the AccuWeather app. Enjoy the rest of your day, be safe, and I'll be back tomorrow with more weather news.